Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to find the y-intercept of the line that passes through 2 points. In order to be able to do that, we're first going to need to find the slope. And remember, if you're given 2 points, you can calculate the slope using this formula. Slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if you need help in using this formula to calculate the slope, check the video links in the description below. Once you have the slope, we can use our slope-intercept form of the line, the equation y equals mx plus b, to substitute the slope that we find in order to calculate our y-intercept. Let's take a look at our examples. We're going to find the y-intercept of the line that passes through -2, 6, and 8, 1. And the first thing I want to do is calculate the slope. And we're going to do that using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals our slope. So I'm going to label the 2 points that I have. I'm going to label one of them as my x1, y1, and the other as x2, y2. And remember, it doesn't matter which one you label x1, y1, and which one you label x2, y2. I look for the point that's going to give me the easiest math calculation. And where I am now is I need my y2 of 6. So I have 6 minus my y1, which is 1, over my x2, which is -2, minus x1, which is 8. So I have 6 minus 1, which is 5, over -2 minus 8, which is -10. And because I'm calculating slope, I do need to simplify 5 over -10, and 5 over -10 simplifies to -1/2. Now that I've calculated my slope as being -1/2, I can look at my slope-intercept form of my line, and the first thing I want to do is substitute the -1/2 in for slope. So I'll have y equals -1/2 x plus b. B is our y-intercept, and so to find the y-intercept, we're going to need to solve for b. In order to solve for b, we're going to need a x value and y value from one of our points, and I'm going to choose to use the point -2, 6. And once I have an x value and y value, I can plug those into my equation and solve for b. So I have 6 as my y value, so I'll have 6 equals -1/2 times my x value of -2 plus b. And I can simplify this equation. I'll have 6 equals -1/2 times -2, which is 1, plus b. And now I can solve it like an equation by subtracting 1 from each side. So I'll get 5 equals b. So 5 is my y-intercept. And if I want to write it as an ordered pair, I'll have 0, 5. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.